So welcome to Out Your Shell. I've always been a creative individual, and in this video I want to show you little clips of what I had been making but I never put in the video, and the very first mural I kind of completed. So enjoy the video, like and subscribe. Today from What Damnak, beautiful piece made, all from recycled materials. So let me show you what I've been making.
A vertical life teems around, reaching for the stars abound. I walked a pace and felt the leaves breaching life to make their mark. We can take on the form of a place that riddles time. When the forest sings a storm of the rain and things divine. Mother Earth and Mother Sky, teaching us for miles high, living lives and loving souls, from human eyes to nature's role.
So welcome to Out Your Shell. I've had a great opportunity. Oh, hold on, look at this. Wow, this one. This one? Okay. So welcome to Out Your Shell. There you go, come on. I've got a great opportunity to do a mural here in PM Room. So the idea, we'll paint all of this white, let it dry, and then have a nice beautiful big water buffalo, Khmer child riding it, that rainforest, those beautiful trees that are here in Siem Reap, and as we come around, a couple of the bamboo shoots, and maybe ending with a beautiful rural Khmer village. So we get that done now. Some of the guys will bring some stools. I'm going to have to be topless and start painting. Can't wait, it's exciting. I'm very excited. So I've been asked to paint a mural for a new opening restaurant. Let me quickly show you the prices of paint, stuff like that here, especially for a massive painting. This is no longer going to be canvas or mini sculptures. Let's get bigger. So we found a primer in this nice little shop. They also have all the generic paint, so if I can get everything in one shop, maybe get a discount for everything. So let's get this, take pictures, get the overall cost of the mural, how much it's going to cost in material. Yeah, I can't wait to do this. I can't wait, and I hope it comes out great on the video. So I've chosen two tester colours, Dreamy Blue and Terrestrial Green, to get that real background, lighter blue coming through the trees, and then Terrestrial Green to be able to plan out the greens at the bottom, the plants, where they're going to be, the whole landscape scene. So I have my fingers crossed that this goes well, for sure. Very excited to do it. Look at how quickly the rain falls here in Cambodia. It's gonna get bad. So getting the backing sky on, then let this go from the top down. We're gonna have to get another couple of litres, then white for the lighter areas, then plan out the trees, the grass at the bottom. It'll be good. One of my favourite things here in Cambodia, iced coffees. Okay, let's wash these. Hey puppy, you gonna wash these? Hello puppy. Hello puppy. You're cutie, aren't you? You're cutie. Your friend a cutie. You're both cuties. Yes. Yes. No, yes. Good. Well done. See, it's going to be a jungle. There's a little lizard on the painting. He wants to be in the jungle. as I visit this mural, look at these. Literally beautiful, beautiful animals. And they're just everywhere. Even 6 months into living here and seeing these beautiful beasts every day, gotta love them, gotta love them. Okay, it's 2 weeks in, and due to poor weather, poor roads to get there, I've only spent about 4 days doing this painting, and even then it's only an hour and a half. So yeah, today I plan on getting that background, the trees done, exactly planned out, and then the children on the water buffalo. So let's go and get started. As I just get here, planning out the trees, the palm trees, Cambodia's Mother Nature starts. Watch how heavy this rain gets within an instant. The restaurant that's being done, it's going to be a new restaurant that I've personally got investments in. They've done the bamboo roofing, the lights. It's going to be very cool. Nice. If you didn't know, health and safety really doesn't exist here. Some old rusty scaffolding, some old boards keeping me on, electric cables around, wiring here isn't checked on. But yeah, this is what we're doing so far, so it's been good. Good. Anyway, let's finish the tree bases so that I can do the background leaves of the trees, the vines, all these things. And here in Cambodia, the beautiful trees where there's this parasitic plant that sort of latches onto it and absorbs the tree's nutrients. So I want to do that on it as well. Very nice. What a morning. Beautiful morning. 6 a.m. here. The view, I don't know if you guys can see it, but the lily pads, the lotus flowers, a little bit of flooding, but the greenery, now that it's rainy season, every other day you get hard hitting rain. So good morning. And before I tell you about the massive fail of this canvas painting, massive thank you to one of the people who attends the mental health meetup here in Siem Reap that I have started doing 14 weeks now of it. These are those beautiful, beautiful palm tree cakes. A bit like fairy cake with coconut inside. So very nice. So thank you when you watch this. He gave me a whole box. Everyone else shared a box. I get a whole box. Watch that waistline improve. Oh, that's good. Okay, so this mural, as you know the plan, that whole water buffalo, children on his back, maybe someone pulling him along in a forest. I didn't capture how far I got because I didn't know I was going to stop so suddenly. But I was doing the vines, the whole big leaves in the foreground sort of thing. Got to a point, and shamefully, because I was doing this for free, with a hope of that relationship being built, and then having the restaurant as part of my life here in Cambodia, but relationships ended up dying for certain reasons that I won't talk about. And because this mural, this time and creativity there was no incentive to it. There was no money involved. So for me, it became a point where there's no point me doing it for somebody who is not going to maintain a relationship for myself, and it won't have any benefit besides a little bit of footage. That's all I have from this time. But doesn't mean I'm gonna stop being creative. It was an opportunity. Maybe I'll find a smaller project with some money involved that I can enjoy, and then build a portfolio again of the creative things that I know I can do. Yeah. Otherwise, guys, comment down below your artistic failures. You started something, it didn't turn out the way you wanted it to, or it was a commissioned piece and they didn't like it, or they didn't pay you for it. Don't let it affect that simplistic happiness. See that? Don't let it affect that simplistic happiness. I'm waking up, gonna have a good day. There is an upcoming video where I am a model. I'm talking about in a swimming pool. Oh yeah. Zoolander model. So make sure you like and subscribe, because that's coming soon. I can't wait to show you that. There's a bit of comedy thrown in there. So come out, shall find Simplistic Happiness, Arkoun, and for the donation as of recording this, thank you. I'll be putting that towards a package to one of the kids. Lovely. Come out, shall. Bye guys. Bye. Play the music.